Hello all, welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the new series of videos that is Appium. Okay, so Appium is an mobile automation testing tool. Okay, so we have lot of tools in the market, but Appium is one of a very common tool, right, which is used in the industries. Okay, so nowadays everything is of mobile apps. Okay, there are a lot of right mobile apps, everything, all the entire for every application we have app, like for example book my show, redbus, right, amazon, flipkart, right? Ola, Uber, right? We have law for everything, all the applications. Figgy, the most common used app, right? We have everything used in apps. So apps needs to be tested. Okay, so apps needs to be tested. So there are a lot of tools in the market. One of the very common tool is Appium. Okay, so through Appium we can write the code and we can test the apps. Okay, so Appium is an open source test automation framework. It is used to test, right, mobile automation across the different platforms, iOS and Android. Okay, so normally through manually we can test the mobile apps through browser stack, both the Android and the iOS device. In automation, we can write with we can test with the help of the APM. APM supports different languages. One of the most common used languages is with Java. So in this series, we are going to use the Java language for APM. Okay, then the other features, we can also use python, ruby and javascript also. The other different programming languages which can be used through apm is java, python, ruby and javascript. Okay, so other features of apm is it's a cross platform testing, right? You can test both android device and ios device, different platforms you can test. Okay, and it supports different languages and libraries, like as I told you, java, python, c sharp, ruby, javascript and many more languages. Okay, and next it supports native app, hybrid app and mobile app. Okay, so native app, those who are built for a particular specific platform, that is called as a native app. Hybrid app is the app which is supports both native app and the web components. Okay, and mobile web apps only supports the web application access with the mobile browser. Then then IPM has separate inspector tools, right, to locate a particular element, right, up in the mobile. Okay, next one is APM is integrated with lot of other frameworks, right? For example, TestNG framework, JUnit framework, BDD, Cucumber, Mocha framework, right? It can be integrated with other frameworks, as we all know, right? It can be pushed in Git, integrated with Jenkins, and run through Docker also. Okay, so all these things are basics, right, of the apm. And next one is the architecture of apm. Okay, if you see, first it has apm has client libraries. Okay, so it provides an api for writing script with various libraries like java library, python, right, apm python client, apm java client. It has different libraries which interacts with the apm server. If you see, right, that it has different libraries, it interacts with the apm server with the json wire protocol, mobile json wire protocol. It interacts via to the server with the mobile json wire protocol. Okay, after it interacts, it hits the apm server. From api server, the request is sent to the mobile app. Okay, through the drivers, it has through drivers, right? It interacts with the mobile app through the various drivers, automation framework, right? For example, ui automator 2 driver. Through ui automator 2 driver, it uses ui automator framework and interacts with the android user interface. Okay, so normally apps will have an apk file. Through apk file, we can install that in our app, or we can keep it in our machine, and that from that APK file we can access the particular application. Okay, the mobile application can be accessed via the APK file. Okay, so it uses UI Automator framework to interact with the Android UI. Okay, so this, and after that, after interacting, it gets the response used to the UI automation server. So we'll be writing a code in Eclipse, that after writing a code, if executing through JSON wire protocol, it hits the Appium server and converts it as request and goes to the Appium right mobile app via the UI automation framework. Then it gets a response to the server, and it comes the result in the Eclipse, right? So this is what is happening here. Okay, so this is the architecture of the APM. Okay, so hope you learned something. So continue to follow, watch us this series. We'll be slowly adding more videos in the APM and slowly moving to the framework level. Thank you. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next video. Bye.